That is the question. This is the time of the year where we see what's called reformulated gas that costs a little bit more. Well, today WHAS 11's Holden Krawicki spoke with the experts to clear the air, so to say, to find out if reformulated gas is really worth the extra price at the pump.
If you've ever driven an hour in any direction outside of Louisville, you've probably noticed that gas is cheaper. $2.69 in St. Matthews versus $1.98 in Elizabethtown. According to Sean Altieri of the Kentucky Division of Air Quality, that's because gas stations outside of the city sell conventional gasoline, while Louisville gas is reformulated.
Reformulated gas is gasoline that has an extra oxygenate content, and it's designed to reduce volatile organic compounds and NOx, nitrogen oxide emissions when combusted.
Reformulated gas was first introduced in Louisville in 1993 because the city didn't meet federal air quality controls for ozone. And nearly 25 years later, the American Lung Association rates air quality as a C.
We have seen tremendous improvement in air quality in Kentucky.
It's better than it previously has been, and it's improving. But it's still not good, and there still needs to be a lot of improvement in the Louisville area.
In this case, our experts couldn't agree how large of an improvement reformulated gas actually made in local air quality. So is it worth the extra cost?
There have been significant improvements in the quality of conventional gasoline. There have been a reduction in air toxics associated with conventional gasoline. And the reformulated gasoline program requirements are less cost-effective than they were first implemented.
That means switching back to conventional gasoline could save you money, but would the local air quality be ruined without reformulated gas?
Currently, we have preliminarily determined that this change would be less than 1% of an increase in those pollutants that form ozone.
We don't have enough data to show that that made a huge difference. Obviously, it did help.
With only a 1% reduction in pollutants and 70 cents more expensive per gallon in some areas, Secretary of the Kentucky Energy and Environment Cabinet, Charles Snavely, is hoping to bring more conventional gas to the Bluegrass State. In Louisville, Holden Krawicki, WHAS 11 News.